Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this mini splits course where we're going to work on all different sorts of approaches to the splits. Let's start off in a relaxing version of the splits, or at least a little relaxing to start off. So we're going to work hamstrings and the whole deal, but we're going to start from a lying down position. So let's lie down on the back, that's nice, all right. And then we'll begin with the right leg up. We're going to keep the left leg bent. And then slowly fold as much as your leg wants to fold, and we'll hold that for a couple of breaths. Interlace your fingers around your ankle and let the weight of your hands just pull the thigh close to the body. And for now, it's going to be okay to let the pelvis kind of come off the ground a little bit, and we'll hold it there for 5 breaths. So we have 1, 2, just increase your stretch tolerance here. Let it be relaxed, not so forceful, not so effortful. 4, 5, wherever it gets to, let it get to. We're going to work progressively in a moment. Then let's extend the left leg. And now we have to root through the left leg, but keep it relatively calm on the right side. And let's hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's start to work progressively. I want you to push into your hands with your right leg. So we get a push and engagement of the quadriceps. And then exhale, pull. And again, push, engage the quadriceps, engage through the legs, keep breathing, keep it lightly engaged, and then bring it a little over to the side as you pull. One more time. Push, 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 and engage, engage, engage. And then give it a pull again. And we could change the grip and just reach. And then release. Now, release the leg. Now we're going to try a little bit of dynamic range of motion where we don't use the hands to assist. So exhale, bring the leg up to a vertical position, and then slowly inhale, creating space, and then exhale, little kicks. So we're kind of drag the leg, and we just kind of reach, we're curling in the abdominal muscles. Curl the abdominal muscles. We'll do 5 more. Curl the abdominals. Root through the left leg, curl. Root through the left leg, curl. Root through the left leg, curl. 2 more. Root through the left leg, curl. Again, root through the left leg, curl. Last one, root through the left leg, curl. And now return your hands. Give me a big breath in. Keep everything engaged. Don't let it be passive right now. And then exhale, fold. And let's stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight arms. Exhale, all the way down. All right, so the reclining split, Supta Trivikramasana, very difficult. Let's work on the other side. So we're going to bend the right leg so we make it a little bit easier in that left hip. All right, and now we just gently pull. Gently weight the arms so that the pull is kind of automatic. Increase your stretch tolerance. Breathe. Engage the pelvic floor lightly and observe, where do you feel the stretch? Maybe keep the left toes pointed. We'll stay for 3 more breaths. And it's okay to let the pelvis come with you in this one a little bit. Let's do 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. And then extend the right leg. And again, hold. Just easy. All right. 1, 2, let your torso be free. No need to engage the rib cage or the abdominal muscles just yet. 4, 5. Now let's give a little resistance. Push into the hands. Give me a big breath in. And then as you exhale, fold. Again, push into the hands. Reach, reach, reach. And then fold. Push into the hands. Push, push, push. Push. And then exhale, fold, and let's hold easy. You could change the grip a little bit if you want. Be sure you keep your right leg active, steady, 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 steady. And then release. Now, we're going to engage the abdominals, do a little dynamic range of motion. Exhale, engage. Inhale, create the space. And then each time you fold, we engage the abdominals. Engage, reach, reach. Reach, we'll do 5 more, reach, engage, curl the abdominals, 3 more, engage, engage, last one, and then change the grip. Everything stays engaged. We engage the quadriceps. We engage the abdominal muscles. A big breath in. And as you exhale, fold, keeping that right leg engaged. If you don't touch, it's okay. And then hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, exhale, come down. All right, let's bend the knees. Drop them over to the side. Come onto your hands and knees. So now we did a lot of front body split work. So let's come onto the hands and knees and let's work a little hip extension. We're going to drop that left knee towards the center line, right knee back, and engage the back. We'll go into a little bit of a back arch or spinal extension. Inhale, right leg back and up. Exhale, set it down. Inhale, back and up. Exhale, down. Inhale, back and up. Exhale, down. Back and up. Exhale, down. Again, back and up. Exhale, down. Back and up. We're going to do 3 more. We take it up, put it down. 2 more. Up and down. 1 more. Up and hold at your top end range of motion, engaging the back muscles and little kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bend the knee. Press into your right hand. Reach back with the left. Hold the ankle. Kick back and hold. 1, 2, 3, nice and easy. 4, and 5. Set it down. Let's round. The balance can be challenged in that one. All right. Okay, let's step that left leg back. And again, little kicks. Inhale, back and up. Exhale, down. Inhale, back and up. Exhale, down. Inhale, back and up. Exhale, down. Back and up. Exhale, down. Back and up. Exhale, down. 5 more. Take it up. Let's put it down. All the way up. Put it down. Get your back extension. 2 more. Back extension. 1 more. Take it up. Hold at your top end range of motion and little kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it right there. Press into your left hand, bend the knee, reach back. Find that ankle, and then kick back your leg. Hold. 1, 2. Keep that left hip a little down so you don't lose the balance. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, set it down. Give me a round position. All right, curl your toes. Inhale, walk your feet forward. Now let's take Padangusthasana. Hold onto your big toes. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, forward fold. 5 breaths. 1, 2, lean a little forward. 3, 4, almost there. 5, inhale, straight arms, hands underneath your feet. Padahastasana. Inhale, get a big breath in. Exhale, fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale at straight arms. Exhale there. Walk your hands out. Let's bend the knees. Give it a little break for a moment. Reach over. Find 2 yoga blocks. Happen to have those right there, hiding behind the bolster. Take your hands on the blocks. Walk your feet in towards each other. Inhale, extend the chest. All right, so we're going to work Warrior Three to the fold forward standing split. So it's like an upside down standing split. Take your right leg back, parallel with the ground to start, and then explore how much further can you go. And we'll hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then exhale, forward fold. All right. Maybe you can put your head on the blocks. Take the hands down. Maybe you can remove your head from the blocks, and we'll do standing split. Hold. 2 upside down standing split. 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Look forward. Walk forward. Take your hands on the blocks. Back to your Warrior Three. Hold it there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Little kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, head on the blocks. Fold. Maybe you can take the head off the blocks again. Reach. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Bring that foot down. Bend the knees. Give it a little break for a moment. hands on the blocks. Straighten the arms. Inhale, change the sides. Left leg back. 1, 2, explore. How much can you reach, 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 reach? 3, 4, and 5. Keep going, going, going. Fold, head onto the blocks. Take the hands down. Exhale, head off the block. Reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it forward. Take the hands on the blocks back to your Warrior Three. Stay there for a moment, and then little kicks go beyond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're building the strength. Exhale. Head rests on the blocks, and then maybe head off the blocks. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. We bring it down. Squat down. Give everything a break for a moment, and drop the head down. Heels can be off the ground or on the ground, your choice. Grab your blocks. Open the blocks. Press down. Inhale, lift the head up, and then let's step your left foot back, right foot forward, and then let's engage. Hold. 1, 2, try to drop that left hip a little forward and down so you can kind of slide it forward. 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay down. Now we're going to do a little extra. Turn the blocks flat. Come up onto your fingertips. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, back. Come forward. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, push back. Come forward. 3 more. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, push back. 1 more. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, slide it back. Hold, look up. 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, exhale down. Let's move the blocks over for a moment. Reach forward, slide all the way down. 1, 2, chin to the shin. 3, engage your back leg. 4, 5, inhale, straight arms. Exhale. Walk back. All right. Curl your toes. Press. Slide it back. Find your downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, let's bring those blocks back. Get them set up. We're going to switch the sides. All right. Slide all the way down and then engage. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. All right. Now hold. 1. Keep it engaged. You want to drop a little into that right hip. 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the blocks down. Now this is a little extra. Inhale, lift. Exhale, back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, back. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, back. Look up, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Move your blocks away. Exhale. Fold forward, chin to the left shin, drop through the right hip. 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to get out of this one a little differently. Drop into the left hip, slide it forward. Paschimottanasana. Inhale, big breath in. Exhale, forward fold. 1, 2, 5 breaths. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, exhale, relax. Come on back up. All right, so I hope you felt a little progression into the splits. If you found this useful, I want you to repeat this video and think about always the balance between strength and flexibility. If it's not possible for you to do the splits yet, this class over and over again, repeating it, working diligently in your body will help you build both the strength and flexibility to unlock the splits in your body. But please practice patiently, always listen to your body, never force or rush the body's journey. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. I hope that you feel a little bit of progression, hope, and inspiration in your splits journey.